Alright friends, now we are moving on reading data from a file in Java programming. I want to read the file line by line. To do this, I will use a class called BufferedReader. So I change it. I say BufferedReader, and then I open new BufferedReader, and inside this I use FileReader. So I come here, inside the parentheses, I say new FileReader. So right now I am ready to give my file name, which is text.txt. I give here, and then I delete this true. I delete this other element. Okay. So we will read each line from the file and store it in a variable. So because of that, let's define a variable. I say string line. Okay. And then I open while loop here. I close it. I open a while loop. So in each loop, inside the while loop, we read a line from the file using readLine method and check if it is null. So if it is not null, we print line to the screen. So because of that, I open another parenthesis and I say if line equals to, what's my object name? My file. So I use readLine method, and then if it is not null, it means it contains something in the file. I read it until I come to the end. So by using this logic, when I come to the end, it's null, so while loop ends. So with this logic, I read line by line. So I print each line to the screen. That's why I use system.out.println. So in my file, I have two John. So I run my code. You see two lines of John appears on the screen. Super. It's easy to use it.